up, you guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. And today I am doing a video that a bunch of you guys requested, a Skims dupe haul. So I myself have scoured the internet for the best dupes there are. So are you ready? Here they are. Okay, so the first product that we're going to do is this one. This is a little like scoop neck bodysuit. And this is the dupe I got on Amazon. You can see it is a nude bodysuit. The cool neckline here where it's kind of like a scoop neck. Really great material. It's double lined, so that means it's like just really thick and good. It gives you a really flattering figure for sure. Like I said, this is actually a bodysuit, which I'm actually not usually a huge bodysuit girly, but this one is really comfortable. It has a little button snap closure at the bottom, and it's great. I'm actually probably gonna get this in a few colors, so that's number one. And now to product number two. Okay, so this is the viral Skims dress. You can see Kim in it, all these influencers, everyone loves it. And here's the one that I found. This is just like your average little spaghetti strap dress, but this isn't just made of cotton. This is made of like a spandexy, very elastic kind of vibe to it, which is gonna really hug your curves. So here it is. All right, so here's this dress on. Notice anything interesting? This dress is amazing. It hugs all your curves in all the right places. Definitely a fabulous dress. You can see it looks almost exactly like the Skims one. However, a huge disclaimer, if y'all really want to know what makes this dress bang, the reason this dress looks amazing is not because it's that great of a dress, it's because Kim's body is unbelievable and she looks super hot in anything. That being said, if you want to steal the look, if you saw my last video, TMI girl haul, you already know, but I am wearing this dress with the BBL shorts from Amazon. You guys remember, like I said in my last video, that is again what makes this dress look so fantastic. If you want more tea on that, steal Kim's dress look and her body look, that, like I said, all linked in my TMI girl haul. I forgot you want to see it from the back, huh? Oh, hello, darling. Welcome to my home. This is so fun. Okay, so we're actually gonna keep it going with dresses right now, just because I'm gonna try and keep the video a little organized. So the next dress is this one, AKA this one. Ta-da! Okay, so this is basically the same dress as before, but this is the long sleeve version. You can see this one actually is not the same spandexy material. This one is just more of a generic stretch cotton, which I don't like as much at all as the other material, but this was the closest style matched I could find, and it's still really nice. So anyways, here it is up close. So you can see it has basically the exact same neckline here. It has long sleeves, again, with the butt pads. Oh, I have the tag on this still. Oops, this is a very professional video, you guys. Again, with the butt pads, it gives you a very fabulous figure. Is this what Kim feels like every day? No wonder she posts selfies all the time. I feel so sexy right now. Overall, definitely a good dress, just like a soft, easy basic for every day. If you wear this with sneakers, it's very casual, but if you wear it with, I don't know, how about my shoes that say sex? Aren't these so funny? I love these shoes. Oh, now you're like very sexy wife of the CEO, boss, whatever. Or, you know, Kim. Okay, so the next dress is this dress, which you can see is this dress. If I come up close here, you can see this is made of like a ribbed cotton material. Can you see that? There we go, kind of. It has the high little neckline. It's kind of just like wearing a giant long tank top. So that's this one. And now we're gonna backtrack a bit and do a little bit more basics, but we're gonna move back to shirts and bodysuits and things. So here's my top picks for Skims shirt dupes. Obviously you can see I have bajillions of different types of shirts here. However, we're gonna start with this one. This is like their signature little long sleeve kind of shirt. So this is the one that I got. Oh, my favorite. I love to wear clothes that make you look naked. So here's what it looks like on. Ta-da! Okay, so you can see this is actually one of my favorite shirts that I literally own at all in general, mostly because whenever I buy long sleeve shirts, they just are like never tight enough. This one, look at that. That just looks like skin on my body. These are like buttery soft. Double lined, there's 2 layers of materials. Actually, I have a real Skims bralette. Let me show that in comparison. Ta-da! Like I said, big fan. I bought this the second that Skims actually came out. But you can see this is kind of their material. It is like a really buttery soft spandex, again, like really stretchy, double lined, super, super nice. This is obviously very similar. The double lining, the spandex buttery softness. I'm not gonna lie, the Skims one is actually definitely softer, but you can see super similar. And again, the fit, check this out. Absolutely fits like a literal glove. Ugh, nude selfies till I die. So as you can see, this shirt is also great because it comes in many colors. Oh, I really look like I'm floating. But this is the white version, which again is amazing because this is not see-through at all. I personally always find trouble like with white shirts being see-through, which is so annoying. But this is actually not see-through at all, aside of, obviously, it is a little see-through because my nipples look amazing. Ha! Which again, I actually did just order the Skims bra. I am so excited, the nipple bra. Oh, I can't wait for it to come in. I'm just like so jazzed about that. But in the meantime, you guys know, again, I showed in my last TMI video a more in-depth thing, but I have been wearing fake nipples from Amazon. They're great. So, yeah, just gives these Skimsy type shirts just a little bit of extra pop. And ta-da, I also got the black version. So this also comes in like a million colors, by the way. I linked it, and everything else below, by the way, is linked in the description. So if you want to shop any of this, it is all right there for you. So this is the shirt that I'm using for this shirt. Again, has the same like rayon spandexy. Oh, do you see that? Look, boink, it's bouncy. That was probably a good bounce test. Good fabric. So this is the shirt right here. Again, it's very, kind of has like a high neckline. Excellent basic white tee for summer. So this one is great. This is our next look. And this is what I found to be it. I cannot even tell you how long I've been looking for the perfect cami top. It has been 100 billion years, but this is it. See, this is made of a super stretch like spandex. Like, look at that. Woo! It's like leotard-esque. You can see it has adjustable straps in the back, again, just like the Skims one. This is the best little cami top I have ever worn in my entire life. This shirt also comes in tons of colors. Also got it in nude because that's my favorite. But again, you can see the like buttery, soft Skims-like material. Little nude skin colory one. So going from the cami top version to the bodysuit version of this. Ta-da! This is the same thing, but with a crotch. Oh, there's a sentence I didn't think I'd say today. Ta-da, there we go. It's a thong bodysuit, by the way, which I can't really show aside of this, so. Next we have this sort of like white Henley tee. Ta-da! Okay, so this one is actually a cotton bodysuit. You can see it comes all the way down. This is like full coverage underwear style. Got the buttons, it has the same little neckline, and this is made of like a ribbed cottony material. But it's cute, definitely like a good casual for lounging around. Okay, next bodysuit is this one, which obviously is going to be mimicking this one. Kim loves these like leotard bodysuit things. They're actually, bless you! That's Julia, my assistant. Yeah, you sneezed. Sorry, while you sneeze. Hi, Julia. Hi.
Yes, it was me.
It was you. There's George, while we're introducing everyone, this is George. So anyways, guys, shop 333. She's packing up all the crystals, so.
Sending magic sparkles your way.
Yeah.
We love you.
Me
Thank
too.
you.
Thanks for shopping, guys. Okay, so back to the haul. We'll try this on.
I'll try not to sneeze.
Yeah, shh, so unprofessional. No. Okay, anyways, yes. As a reminder, this outfit, this jumpsuit, here it is. Okay, guys, so I don't have the hip pads on in this one. This is just my normal body here, but you can see I'm actually really surprised. I think that this is quite sexy. And as you can see, which I think is like the big thing with all of these things, aside of the fact that I totally look like I am gonna go ride a bicycle or something of the sort, look at this. no center. Can't believe I'm showing my crotch this much. Can't believe that's the second time I've said crotch in this video. Okay, that's a first. But you can see there is no center seam right here. So no camel toe. Do you guys see that? It's camel toe-less. So this is actually, it's actually really cute. There you go, again. There's what it looks like from behind. Very like Yeezy season 764. I don't even remember what campaign that was where they were like in the streets, but yeah. Catch me wearing this to trade a hose. Okay, so we'll abandon the like tight bodysuits for a second and we'll go back to one of her more popular Skims campaigns, the boyfriend edit, which is like, obviously the idea is you steal your boyfriend's clothes and it's made for you though, so you don't actually have to have a boyfriend to steal from, aka a collection made for me. Thank you, Kimberly. But here is the lookalikes, starting with the boxer brief. Okay, I'm gonna throw on my real Skims bra for this. Do you guys see? This is my Swarovski Skims bra. I got this in Austria. It's amazing. I don't know if you guys saw my Austria Christmas shopping, or maybe it was the 5 countries in 5 days. I don't remember, but either way, I got this bra at actually the Swarovski Museum in Austria. It was so cool. They had like a whole Skims setup. It was insane. So anyways, love this bra. For reference, I got an extra large, but to go with it, I did not get the shorts because I just didn't get them. So we're gonna do the boxer shorts that are meant to go with them. And so what did I find for that, you ask? A real men's boxers. You want loose-fitting men's boxer shorts? Ta-da! Just buy some loose-fitting men's boxer shorts. These are actually the Amazon Essentials brand. I got them here. Got a men's extra small, but this was a pack of like 5 of them. You can see just straight up men's boxer briefs. Look at that. A, it matches the bra perfectly. And ta-da, these are literally just men's boxers, but on me. Great loose boyfriendy look, you know, fabulous. I also got the Calvin Klein version. I got a small in these. Let's see how these look. So this is the Calvin Klein version. I actually probably should have gotten an extra small because a small is big apparently. Please like, comment, subscribe for more reviews of men's boxer briefs on a girl. What is my channel doing? Okay. Okay, so Kim also has this version of Skims, which is like the tight boxer looking briefs. So I got this set. Let's see. Okay, wow, honestly, again, impressive. No butt pads, this is just regular vibes. But you can see these are actually very interesting. I guess this is like the sexy version. George, are you messing with mom's stuff? What are you doing? That's nice, George. As if you don't have 7 beds. Anyways, yeah, overall, these are cute. They actually came with a shirt too, so I'll put that on because obviously it doesn't come with this, but this is the little shirt that it comes with. It's just the same like gray material. Ta-da! Just like a good little lazy day fit. Hey, hey, you, I could be your boyfriend. Okay, so the next set is actually very similar. We're gonna do this one, kind of like the V-neck bralette version. So ta-da, this is this version. You can see, again, made of the same like ribbed material. You can see it has like the same print, kind of just this like weird vagina line. And this one has the bralette, which is actually very similar style to my Skims one, very cute. George Biscuit, can you not walk over the clothes while I'm filming? Thank you. This is the little bra and underwear set, obviously pretending to be this set. This actually came in a pack of 3, black, brown, and then the color that I'm wearing, which I'll show you right now. So this is this little set, super cute. You can see it's seamless and made of that like same stretchy material, adjustable straps. I'm actually extremely impressed with this set. I think this is like really comfortable and soft and cool. Really good shape, makes you look like the statue. I really like this one. I'll probably get this in a bunch more colors too. So I probably can't wear this look outside particularly, but Skims does have some outside wear. So we'll do their like hoodie sweatshirt vibes. We're gonna do this little hoodie set here. Like these fits are honestly just great because if you wanna be lazy and still look put together, this is your answer. I don't know if you guys have had this problem, but like one of the things that I find when I buy outfits like this is a lot of them are this material called French terry, which I hate because it's like this on the inside. I hate that. I only want this, the really soft fleece. So that's what this is, very heavy, soft fleece, thick material. So it has the shorts here, ta-da, 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 cute. And then it has the oversized sweatshirt to match. You can see it's got the drawstring, cute. I guess we could fold these over too. Make them a little shorter. I like that. They also had this in a bunch of colors too, so yeah. Skims also has these really popular pants, which I actually get this. I have had this outfit from Amazon for so long and didn't even realize until I was shopping for this haul that these were inspired by Skims. What do you know? So they're really that good that I had them before this anyway, but this is one of my favorite new outfits. These are these little like fold over cotton pants, super cute, very flattering, comes with a matching shirt that kind of, again, is not a crop top, but I like it to be one, so I pull it up. Very flattering, again, no butt pads, looks good. Overall, just a really cute little fit, great for kind of whatever. Very comfy too. I actually have this in multiple colors. I have black, gray, white, I think pink too. They also have short sleeve versions. This outfit's amazing. I have all of them and they're all fabulous, right, George? You like this? Yes. So from outside pajamas to inside pajamas, Skims does pajamas too. So here's again one of their little like cottony pajama sets, and here's the one that I got. Ta-da! So this is this little like cottony PJ set. The shorts actually are really cute too. You can see they're just like little cottony shorts. They would be good for wearing outside, kind of look like these. It's really soft, has the nice little collar, and overall is just cute, you know? I feel kind of like one of the kids in Peter Pan, actually. Oh boy, okay. I also got the long sleeve version because honestly, just as cute. Again, this is just like a long cottony. Do you see? It actually comes with pink trim, super cute, but this is heather gray. Pants, this is all just cotton, so like it's not fleece lined or anything. It's just normal cotton, but very cute. I like pajama sets for like a little sleepover or something, but if you're in the mood to be a little more sexy, Skims also has what they've been calling their luxury something collection. I forget actually. So I'm gonna need to Google that and refilm this. Hold on. Okay guys, it's Skims Hotel Shine, which basically is like fancy shiny satin. Here's the Skims Hotel Shine collection. And what I bought is on the floor, so I'll try that on. This is the little set that I got. You can see it is made of a beautiful like satin, but obviously I really need to steam this. So this set comes with the shorts and obviously the little top. It's got the little white piping on it, the cute little pocket. This also comes in like a zillion colors, which I probably will buy most of them. Okay, another thing they had in the Hotel Shine collection was this oversized sleep shirt. So, oops, I forgot to button this, but I got one too. So ta-da, that's actually obviously exactly what this is. It's got the little collar, the same like satiny, shiny material. I actually don't know why this is this long. Like they made this one really long. Definitely would prefer it to be like a little shorter. So I'll link this one in the description, but also I think I'm gonna link another one that I have that's a lot shorter than this. So depends on whatever floats your fancy, but you guys know I love an oversized men's looking shirt. So next we have the long sleeved cropped Henley little top, which I got this set for. Ta-da! And this one even comes with shorts. So this set comes with shorts and of course this top. Again, it's that same like ribbed kind of Henley material. Again, good casual little fit, you know? We also have the onesie version of this. And this is the Amazon version of this. The onesie version of this, a nice little plunging neckline, Henley tank top, unitard. You know, for those winter sleepovers in Aspen. Perfect. Okay, and before I close out this video, I would just like to say, obviously, we gotta give credit where credit is due. As you can tell by all the dupes, Kim made an unbelievable product. Skims is a fantastic brand. She did a perfect job with it. She made high quality loungewear cool and fun and hip and unique and turned an otherwise very dull, boring market into something fabulous. I own a bunch of it myself, and as great as I think these dupes are, they don't really come close to how cool and original and good Skims really is. So she's literally on my mood board. You guys know I think she's amazing. I love this woman. I look up to her very much. So kudos to you, Kim. You made a great brand. But you know what? I'm also a girl who stays true to my brand, and that has been delivering the best looks for less for many years. So I hope you enjoyed the Skims Amber's version, and kisses till next time. XO. definitely just ruined my chance for a Skims campaign.